Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mid-side EQ. Mid-side equalization is a powerful tool that separates your audio into two distinct components, the mid signal and the side signal. The mid signal represents everything that is mono or common to both the left and right channels, like your kick drum or lead vocal. Conversely, the side signal captures all the stereo information, highlighting the differences between the left and right. This separation allows for incredibly precise and creative manipulation of your soundstage. So, why should you incorporate mid-side EQ into your workflow? Well, it offers several unique advantages. You can widen stereo elements, like reverbs or pads, without making your kick drum or vocal sound facey. It's also fantastic for cleaning up the low end, allowing you to remove unwanted stereo rumble while keeping your mono bass solid. Ultimately, it provides a level of control over your stereo field that traditional stereo EQ simply cannot match, leading to a more polished and professional sound. Let's dive into practical applications, starting with the mid-channel. This is where your core elements reside. You might apply a gentle high-pass filter around 30 to 40 Hz to remove sub-bass rumble from your kick and bass, ensuring a tight low end. For vocals, a subtle boost in the 2 to 5 kHz range can enhance clarity and presence. Conversely, you could cut harsh frequencies in the mid to make your lead instrument sit more comfortably in the mix. Now, let's explore the side channel, which controls your stereo width. A common technique is to apply a high-pass filter, often around 100 to 200 Hz, to remove any unwanted low-frequency stereo information that can make your mix sound muddy. To enhance the spaciousness of elements like pads or background vocals, you could gently boost the high frequencies in the side channel. This allows you to create a wider, more enveloping sound without cluttering the center of your mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.